Bagong bukas na hotel sa Jensan, maganda, malinis, warm and cozy yung mga rooms, may malapad na parking area, may restaurant at coffee shop at higit sa lahat, non-pork establishment sila. Hello guys! For today's vlog, punta natin yung bagong bukas na ZKB Twins Hotel.
Hello ma'am, welcome to CTV Queens Hotel. Good afternoon.
Ayan, pagpasok mo pa lang, babatiin ka na ng mga highly trained, customer-friendly staff nila. So guys, eto na nga yung lobby nila, fully air-conditioned, so you don't have to worry kahit gaano man kainit dito sa Jensan. Dito sa lobby, pwede ka na ding mag-order ng food dahil dito lang naman yung kanilang fully air-conditioned dining area. Warm and cozy talaga yung kanilang mga rooms dito guys. Meron silang regular single room, regular matrimonial room, mga deluxe room, at ito yung nagustuhan ko guys, executive room nila, pang family talaga. Bang kapag kasama yung mga anak nyo, pero gusto nyo pa rin may privacy kayong mag-asawa, ito ang bagay sa inyo. These are two rooms that are connected to each other. Meron siyang sariling TV at meron din siyang sariling toilet. Super linis dahil naka-tiles up to the ceiling. With complimentary hygiene kit. With sleeper, dental kit, shampoo and conditioner, and soap. Pwede na rin kayong magkape dito and free bottled water na din. Halos lahat ng mga rooms nila dito ay may terrace kung saan pwede kang tumambay at pwede kang magbilang ng mga sasakyan na dumadaan. Ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko sa hotel nila guys dahil in case of emergency, maraming fire exit. Definitely one of the best place when you're planning to visit Jensan. Aesthetic din yung mga wall painting nila. Meron pa silang mga water dispensers sa hallway in case you want some cold water and hot water available naman sa hallway. If you want some fresh air, may overlooking view sila from second floor and third floor. Hindi ka talaga mabubore dito dahil pwede kang magbilang ng ibon na lumilipad sa kalangitan. Hindi talaga nakakatakot ang hallway guys dahil open space siya. Now let's go to the function hall. Nasa second floor po. Kasya dito up to 50 packs. Meron din silang catering services dito. And this function hall is fully air conditioned. Yung nagustuhan ko talaga dito sa kanilang function hall, bukod sa may sarili itong toilet, meron na itong kitchen and bar counter. The best part of this function hall is the balcony or the terrace, overlooking view of the street. Napakalaki din ng kanilang parking lot. Now, let's go to their coffee shop. Yung Bean Street po nila ay nasa harap lang ng daan. I'll give you more details on this place in a separate vlog. ZKB Twins Hotel is located at Ramirez Street, formerly Champaka Street, corner Donato Quinto, the Jangas East, General Santos City. So guys, consider ZKB Twins Hotel on your next staycation in Jensan, where service and comfort is never compromised. Thank you for watching. You can follow me for more.